How to fix free up space to install or not enough space Google Play Store problem. So if you want to fix your Google Play Store problem, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Google Play Store. On your Play Store, go with the profile which is on the top right. Now from the profile, you need to go with Manage Apps and Devices and then go with the Manage section. Once you're on your Manage, you need to go with the drop down under this device. And here you can select Not Installed. Make sure that you've turned on your Wi-Fi or your mobile data. Once you've connected, now you can go back, tap on Try Again. Now all these applications you see are the ones you no longer have on your phone because you deleted them, but they still appear in this list. And many people think they still take up memory. So to free up memory, some suggest selecting them and deleting them. The application in this list do not take up storage on your phone. The size written under each application is simply the approximate amount of money that it would use if you were to reinstall it again. So what you need to do is just go back and go with your profile again and then tap on Settings. Under Settings, you can go with General. And here if you scroll down, then you will find Automatically Archive Apps. You need to go and toggle this on. When your phone's memory is full, the Play Store will automatically archive the applications you rarely use. Those apps will remain on your phone, but they'll take up much less space. And if you ever want to use once again in the future, then just open it and unzip in a couple of seconds. And you can use it normally. This way, your phone's memory will be constantly automatically cleared. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.